free, unlimited B2B leads? No, this is not fake. I'm literally going to show you how to tap into the biggest source of free B2B leads right now. Log in and let's get straight to it. Okay, so what is this resource? At the time of this recording, this resource has passed over 1 billion users. Yes, that's billion with a B. It's widespread across 200 countries. It lets you create a profile for free. It helps you tap into the unlimited network of companies that are on the platform. You could use free search parameters to make sure you are targeting the right people. Things like job title, industry, school, education, and even service categories. What I love most about this resource is you have direct access to decision makers. Yes, no gatekeepers, no moving up the chain of command, the exact decision maker. And you can have conversations with those decision makers directly. What is this resource? LinkedIn. We've helped over 1,000 companies utilize LinkedIn, the biggest resource for B2B leads, to grow their client base, reach, and revenue. It truly is the biggest resource for free B2B leads that your team can tap into right now. And in this video, I want to show you how. This all sounds great, Cindy, but is it really free? Let's talk about it. You can create a profile for free and optimize it in a way that positions you as a thought leader. That right there is free marketing. You can create a company page for free and capture leads with organic lead generation forms. So anybody that visits your company profile, you can immediately capture their information and take them to the next step. You can send connection requests directly to your ideal client, bypassing a lot of the gatekeepers and blockages that may be in the way of you connecting with your ideal client. You can use the direct message feature to send your ideal clients messages about your services, events, promotions, etc. And of course, the more your network consists of your ideal client, the more results you are going to get out of your B2B marketing. You can post content on the platform consistently for free to position yourself as an expert and a thought leader. So as your ideal client is scrolling through LinkedIn, they're seeing your posts. And a key tip here is to answer the questions that your ideal client is asking every day. Yes, every one of those 5 things are free, and you can start using them today to tap into the free B2B lead generation source that is LinkedIn. Of course, with any marketing channel or avenue, there is both an art and a science. So I won't sit here and say that it's going to be easy. When you do get it right, not only is it extremely effective, but you will forever have a source of leads and connection to your ideal client. That is powerful. So how does one see success with this? I'm going to walk you through how we help our clients get unlimited B2B leads utilizing this specific strategy. Well, first, you want to do enough volume of outreach. First, at our company, we do direct outreach, which means we connect with the decision maker. We send them a cold message that speaks to their challenges, pain points, and positions our clients as the solution. In order for that to be effective, you need to be doing 2 things. 1, you want to make sure that you do enough volume of outreach. That means connect with enough decision makers, send enough messages, and follow up. When you do that enough times, you will start to see results. The reason why people are not able to tap into this large network of potential clients is that they're either not doing enough volume, or the messages that they're sending just don't resonate with their ideal client. I want you to watch this video next, where I show you how to write compelling cold outreach copy that gets results. You then want to have a very clear call to action. When you send somebody a message about your service, position it in a way where it's easy for them to say yes to take the next step. If you're inviting them to an event, make sure you include the link, the date, the time. How do they register? If you are scheduling them for a call, make sure you give them a direct calendar link so they can very quickly see the schedule and book a call. Make it effortless for your potential prospects to take action. Consistency is key. If you are utilizing LinkedIn, whether it's to post content, to position yourself as a thought leader and gain organic leads, or it's through direct outreach where you are reaching out directly to the decision maker to pitch your service, make sure that you are consistent. Doing something once or twice is just not enough to see true results and progress. Commit to the process so that you can see the result. And my last tip is to optimize your profile to be found. Whether it is your individual LinkedIn profile or for your company page, which again, I mentioned, both of them are free to create. You want to make sure that you use very specific keywords so that you can be found for what it is that you sell. Utilize relevant keywords in your headline, your about section, your company description, and your skills on your personal profile so that when somebody's actively searching for those keywords, your profile pops up. On the other side, with your company page, make sure that it is fully optimized. Take the time to really spruce up your page from the external links to the about section in your company page, to the locations. Adding relevant keywords to those two pages ensures that you capture relevant leads that are already actively searching for your services on the LinkedIn platform. There you have it. That is how to get free unlimited B2B leads on LinkedIn, the biggest professional networking platform that is available right now. With over 1 billion users in over 200 countries, your ideal B2B client is for sure on that platform. So utilize these tips to connect with them, to engage with them, and to convert them into paying clients. If you made it this far in the video, my name is Cindy Dodd. On my channel, I post about all things LinkedIn for business, LinkedIn marketing, email marketing, all of that good stuff. I want to help you scale your lead flow and your revenue this year. If you love the video, give it a thumbs up. It helps so much. Make sure that you are subscribed to my channel so that you don't miss a beat when I post updates and content just like this. Okay, I'll see you in the comments. Bye for now.